Welcome back. Now that we are collecting the name and email address of individuals, there are other actions that we can take when an individual joins our group. For example, we can click Create a Zap. We can then set up Skool as our trigger. The event will again be the membership questions are going to be answered. We can then click Continue. We will use our Skool account that is already set up. And what we can now do is test our trigger. That's going to give us some test data. We can now continue with this test data. We are now going to set the action. Now, one of the features that you'll notice inside of Zapier that is a premium selection is Zendesk. So if you were running a support desk and you were using Zendesk, you can make it so that a support ticket will open and be sent to the individual when they join your Skool group. So we are going to set the event in action. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a ticket. We're then going to click Continue. We're going to use the Zendesk account that's already connected to our Zapier account. So what we can do is we can make sure that the individual is going to have an open support request so that we can interact with that individual personally through a support ticket. And so what we will use in this process, we will use the email address that we are collecting with the membership question in order to open a ticket in our support desk. And so you can set the action to integrate with that process. So you'll be using Zapier to set in motion an opportunity for you to interact personally with the individual that has joined your group. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.